In today's video, I'll show you how to download videos from Skool, step by step, easy to follow. We'll go through this in 3 simple methods so you could save any Skool video quickly, whether you're on a laptop, desktop, or mobile. Before we jump in, if you don't have a Skool account yet, I've dropped a link down in the description below. It's the same platform I have been using, and there's a special deal available through that link. Grab it now and follow along with me. So let's get into method 1, using your browser's built-in developer tools. First, open any Skool community and navigate to the video that you want to download. So for me, I already have that one, which is from Joseph Grun. Now, once it's playing, you can right-click on the video and click on Inspect, or just hit F12 on your keyboard. Now in here, you can click on the Network tab and make sure that you are in the Media tab. So along these subcategories, you have to click on Media, and you'll see a file appear here in the list. Now, if you don't see it, usually you'll have to click on that file, right-click on the URL that appears, and open it in a new tab. From there, you can right-click the video and save the video as and download it. But since in this case, I don't see it, method 2 is even easier. So we're going to be using a free browser extension called Video Download Helper. So you want to head to Chrome Web Store and look for Video Download Helper. The first one that shows up is most likely it. If you take a look, this is exactly what you're supposed to be downloading. And click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. And in my case, it's already done. So you can close the tab. You can go back to your Skool video and press on play. You'll notice the extension on the top right. Now, if you don't see it, you can click on this puzzle icon. It's going to show you the list of extensions that you have and pin the video downloader helper. Now, you're going to see this light up if you play a video. Now, if it doesn't light up, you'll have to refresh the page, play the video again, and you'll see that thing pop up. Okay. Now, you want to click on the icon. It's going to show you a list of quality options that you can choose from. And for me, I will be choosing 1080p and then clicking on download. Now, once that is done, you can either click on play or click on the file folder, and it's going to show you exactly where it was placed. Now, method 3 is your backup plan, and it works 100% of the time. We're going to be using a screen recorder. So on Windows, you can press Windows plus G to open Xbox Game Bar, or on Mac, you can press Command Shift 5 to pull up QuickTime screen recording. If you want even better quality, you can download OBS Studio. It's completely free, and you can download it by heading to obsstudio.com. So if you click on this first link that shows up, it's going to show you a couple of options for your operating systems. Click on Download Installer, follow the step-by-step process, and install it in your drive. Now, once you're in here, you will be slightly overwhelmed by the settings on the screen, but nothing to worry. You can just click on the plus sign under Sources, and then click on Display Capture. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to select a specific capture method, which is automatic, DXGI, or Windows 10. I would highly suggest keeping it on automatic, and then click on the display that you want to capture. So for me, that would be my second monitor, just like that. And then you can click on Start Recording, and it will be recording your video as you go. Once you're done, hit Stop Recording, and the file saves automatically in your computer. Now, quick reminder, the link to join Skool is in the description down below. Worth checking out if you have not already, okay? Now let's talk troubleshooting, because sometimes the video just won't show up in your DevTools or your extension won't detect it. So in my case, the DevTools did not detect it, but the extension did. So the number one fix is to let the video play out at least 15 seconds in, and then try your method again. But if it's really not showing for the DevTools, you can just try the next alternative, which is, for me, that would be the video downloader extension that we downloaded. Now, once you have it, here's a pro move. You can organize them immediately. So you can just choose any folder that you have, right-click, hover on New, and add a new folder. So you can name it after the community that you downloaded it from. So for me, that would be Skool. And then inside that folder, you can add another one, and then just label them depending on what type of lesson that you're downloading. So for me, I could just label it as lesson 1. And then I'll head to my downloads folder, copy the video that I downloaded, and drop that in lesson 1 folder. That way, it saves you so much time when you're studying offline and makes it more compact and easier to navigate. Now you got your videos downloaded and organized, let's make sure you can watch them properly offline. I recommend using VLC Media Player. It's free, it plays every format, and it works on Windows, Mac, and mobile. So just open VLC. If you don't have it, you can download it in this website. So just look up VLC download, and you want to head to images.videolan.org. It's going to show you a specific button where you can download VLC, follow the step-by-step installer, and download that in your PC. Once you have that installed, you can open the player and then drag your video in, which is this one I downloaded. And it's going to play it for you. Just like that. No internet needed since you have downloaded this already. Now, if you're on mobile, the easiest method is to use Documents by Riddle app on iPhone or a Download Manager app on Android. So you can open your Skool video in Safari or Chrome, same step-by-step process, copy the video URL, and paste it into the Documents browser. Use the built-in download feature, and your videos shave straight into your phone. So there you have it. 3 solid ways to download videos from Skool. Method 1 with DevTools is great if it's actually working. If you're comfortable with browsers, it's a really good option. Method 2 with Video Download Helper is a good alternative by any case that DevTools is not working. It's also the fastest and easiest way to get the proper quality that you want. And method 3 with a screen recorder gives you more leniency, it gives you more compatibility, and it is a guaranteed backup that works every single time. You can use whichever fits your setup best. If you're not on Skool yet, now is the perfect time to start. Download and explore Skool videos by using my link in the description below. There's a special deal waiting for you, and if this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe. I post tutorials like this every week, and I'll see you in the next one.